Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be another awesome video of Night Crows. So today we're just gonna go ahead and discuss about the Slaughterer debuff. Okay, how can we get the Slaughterer debuff and how can we get rid of it just in case we actually had the penalties. So let's go ahead and go here and click this. So it says if you recklessly kill other players, you will become a slaughterer and receive serious penalties. So it says serious penalties. So medyo nakakatakot 'yan, ha? Okay. You become a slaughterer when you kill many players from your server in combat regions. Your slaughterer stage will become higher as you kill more players. So the penalty goes up when you keep on killing players from your server. So number 2, slaughterers receive penalties such as decreased stats and being banned from using merchants. So nakakatakot kasi hindi ka rin makakabili ng potion if kung bawal ka gumamit ng merchants, di ba? You can escape slaughter penalties by hunting monsters in combat regions. So yun naman pala. This will definitely answer our question kung paano mawawala yung slaughterer debuff. So you can escape slaughterer penalties by hunting monsters in combat region. So paano ba natin malalaman kung nasa combat region ka? So punta tayo sa map. So, pag ang symbol sa map is this, safe yan. Pag ganyan, combat. Tapos pag ganito, conflict. Okay? So, tingin lang kayo sa map. Pag ganyan yung sign niya. Yan. So, ano ba ang mga penalty ng slaughterer? Check natin dito. Slaughterer. Okay. So, stage 1, crit -5, dual damage -5, and cannot ride mounts. So, medyo boring siya kasi hindi ka makakasakay sa mount mo. So, stage 2, so palala ng palala. Ayan, cannot enter battlefront and all dungeon. So, wala kang mini boss hunt pa ganyan. Tapos, yung pinakadulo, bukod sa hindi ka makakapasok sa battlefront, cannot teleport. Wow. Exchange and request station unavailable. Cannot use merchants and storage. So, sa last slide is malalaman mo, yun na nga, yung katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, how to figure out if you are in the safe region or combat region. Okay. So, again, it says right here, the slaughterer points decrease according to a certain probability when you defeat monsters in combat region. So right now, we are actually have this slaughterer debuff. You will see it here, stage 1, and the penalties that I got. So right now, I haven't really figure out how to remove this, pero ang gagawin natin maghapon is we're gonna hunt monsters dito sa mga combat region. So aalamin ko kung ilang oras ba dapat or how many hours should I hunt, what type of monsters that needs to be hunted in order for the slaughterer debuff to finally remove on your character. I will definitely figure out that soon. Okay, so I will definitely follow up for another video. How did I remove the slaughterer debuff? Well, that's gonna be a quick video for today. Thank you so much for staying with me. To all my subscriber, friends, family who's continue watching my videos, thank you so much. Again, this is Dream City. Have a nice day.